How to use BMO InvestorLine app properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. The BMO InvestorLine is one of Canada's leading online trading platforms, offering access to stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds. But most beginners misuse it and lose efficiency, or worse, money. Here's how to use BMO InvestorLine properly. The first mistake people make is skipping the practice account. It's a free demo that lets you learn how orders, watch lists, and market data work before risking real cash. Jumping straight into live trades is like driving without lessons. Next, don't overtrade. Many new users buy and sell too often, chasing tiny gains and racking up fees. InvestorLine is best used for long-term investing or strategic rebalancing, not day trading. Another mistake: ignoring the research center. BMO provides analyst reports, screeners, and model portfolios that can help you make informed choices. Most beginners never open these tools, and it shows. Pro tip: use the goals and insights section. It tracks your portfolio performance against your objectives, helping you stay disciplined through market ups and downs. And here's something most people get wrong: they think InvestorLine is only for experienced traders. In reality, its Advice Direct feature gives hybrid guidance for beginners who still want expert input. The surprising truth? The more you learn before trading, the better InvestorLine performs for you. So, start with the demo, use the research tools, and invest with intention. Used properly, BMO InvestorLine can help you grow your portfolio with confidence and clarity.